Welcome to another episode in our video series where we share insights to help maintenance and operations teams excel. I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of UpKeep. In this video, we're going to explore how to evaluate if you're over or under investing in your maintenance activities. We'll dive deep into how the total maintenance cost, or MC, as a percentage of the estimated plant replacement value, or PRV, can serve as a benchmark. If you're seeking alternatives to the MC over PRV metric, or looking for a different approach to analyze your maintenance cost, stay tuned. We'll also discuss other popular metrics and how they can provide a more nuanced understanding of your maintenance expenditure. Are you wondering if you're spending too much or perhaps too little on your maintenance activities? You're not alone. Many operations teams struggle with understanding if their maintenance costs are justified. One way to rationalize these expenses is to take the total maintenance cost, or MC, as a percentage of the estimated plant replacement value, also known as PRV. In simpler terms, this means comparing all your maintenance expenses spent in a year with the estimated value of your plant. Best practice benchmarks suggest that MC over PRV values should ideally fall between 2 to 3%. Now, we understand that the absolute value of the total maintenance cost of a plant can be a daunting number to look at. To give you more context, it's helpful to measure the total cost of maintenance against some other value that reflects your plant's capacity. This approach will enable you to rationalize whether your costs actually make sense given the total value of your facility that's at stake. But what if the MC over PRV metric isn't quite right for you? Or maybe you're just looking for a different approach to analyze your maintenance cost. Don't worry, there are plenty of other metrics that compare your maintenance cost with other relevant metrics. Firstly, the maintenance cost over total manufacturing cost is a popular metric that takes the maintenance expense as a percentage of all manufacturing costs incurred by the plant. The typical best practice benchmark values for this metric are between 10 to 15%. Secondly, the maintenance cost per asset can be calculated for each piece of equipment to assess which parts contribute most to the total cost. While this can be a somewhat tedious process, maintenance software such as computerized maintenance management system software or enterprise asset management software can significantly reduce the workload. Thirdly, the maintenance cost per maintenance type can be a useful approach for facilities with various types of equipment, potentially requiring different types of maintenance strategies. This metric can provide insight on how much you are spending on reactive maintenance and proactive or predictive maintenance. Lastly, the maintenance cost per unit produced is particularly useful for production facilities, especially if you're trying to bring down your total unit cost of production. The values for this metric may vary, but they should generally decrease as processes are streamlined. The list of metrics available to evaluate maintenance cost goes on and on. We encourage you to work with your team to brainstorm and pool together your collective knowledge and experience to identify which metric is most applicable to your situation. Remember, the goal is to ensure that your maintenance costs are justified and contribute to the overall success of your operations. Thank you for watching this video where we've explored various metrics to evaluate your maintenance costs. We've dived deep into the MC over PRV metric and explored alternatives like maintenance cost over total manufacturing cost, maintenance cost per asset, maintenance cost per maintenance type, and maintenance cost per unit produced. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights to help your maintenance and operations teams excel. For more resources, visit us at upkeep.com.